You failed this.
Don't poke my tummy.
I will if I poke it. Aww.
Peachtree can help you turn your structured settlement or annuity into cash now.
Do something interesting. Don't make this a boring video.
What would interesting be?
I don't know.
Something interesting. There is nothing interesting. I'm tired. I'm up too early.
I didn't wake you up.
What are you doing?
To find out how, call Peachtree today at 1-800-903-1728 or log on to settlementfunding.com.
Returns.
What?
And picture. I'm showing people our funny pictures. Oh, who looks gangster?
Said they had detected a carbon monoxide leak. We would have slept right through it.
You could hide anything in this one in the car. Hide your pot in here.
Your camera doesn't have very good zoom.
Yeah, I know. My camera fails. Or even got the nice one, I got the crappy one. Shows you the nice stuff.
Do you like Twilight?
No, not really. Why?
Good.
Hey, it's almost 12.
What time is it? 11:40. Crap! I don't want to get ready for the day.
Katie.
I see cameras.
That's a lie. You took pictures of yourself. What the hell is up with this family and cameras? Katie. I see you, Leanne.
Leanne.
You sneeze?
No.
It's you.
Aaron, do you want your pen? Kenzie, that's her hat. No, we
That's
traded.
where.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And what? You can keep that one.
Why?
Because seems like a good trade to me.
I don't look good. I don't have any makeup on. My hair is so
Neither do
crappy.
Fun to record me because I don't have makeup on. What is that about? You suck.
You want to see the cool, Leanne.
Whoa.
Get me my green jacket
That looks
over
weird.
there. So my cool, badge.